Blockchain privacy, lightweight clients. So the blockchain broadcast model is a broadcast model that is kind of like a gossip protocol, right? Transactions here are being sent to all the peers, irrespective whether this peer needs it or not. So the log of transactions, depending on the blockchain that you're looking at, is exceeding hundreds of gigabytes of data, and that's certainly not something that you want to send over 3G, 4G, or 5G to a phone. So ideally what we do is we filter transactions that are relevant, and we send only those transactions that are relevant to those lightweight clients, to those mobile phones. So the goal is really to hide. You want to hide from other nodes, like those full nodes, what the light client is interested in. So specifically the addresses that the light client is interested in. And if you can do that, then you can increase the privacy of the mobile blockchain client. So there are a few approaches. So you can just use traditional private information retrieval, which is a whole research area on its own. And there's one work on PRR and simple payment verification clients that you can look up. The other alternative is to use Bloom filters. So this is what the current Bitcoin lightweight client implementation has to offer. And we'll discuss this a bit further. And third is you can also rely on protocols such as trusted execution environments like Intel SGX for Bitcoin or Zcash, for instance.